Hello, this is Jairam and this is part 1 of ASP.NET Core Blazor tutorial. In this video, we will discuss what is Blazor, why should we use it and its advantages. Before we understand the use of Blazor and its advantages, let's take a step back and see how most of the development work as of now. For server-side development, we have different programming languages like C#, Java, PHP, and etc. For client-side development, we use JavaScript frameworks like Angular, React, Vue, and etc. Blazor is revolutionizing the .NET world. With Blazor, you can build interactive applications using C# code for both front-end and back-end. And with that, you will be able to share code between client-side and server side as everything is in the same language. So what is Blazor? Blazor is a Microsoft technology that allows us to make interactive web applications with C# without using JavaScript. Blazor makes web development easier and more productive by providing a full stack web development with .NET. The name Blazor is a combination of the words browser and Razor. As you know that Razor is a .NET HTML view generating engine. So far we have known that browsers can only understand JavaScript. So how can we use C# in client browsers? For that we need WebAssembly. Blazor either runs server side, in which case it executes on server and browser acts like a dumb terminal, or it runs in the browser itself by utilizing the WebAssembly. We will discuss more about WebAssembly in our upcoming videos. Advantages of Blazor. Single page application framework. Blazor engine rewrites the same page dynamically in response to the user action. Open source. Blazor is part of the open source .NET platform that has a strong community of contributors from more than 3,700 companies. .NET is free and that includes Blazor as well. No plugins required. Blazor is not like Silverlight, as Silverlight required a browser plugin in order to run on the client, which prevented it from running on iOS devices. Blazor does not require any kind of plugin installed on the client in order to execute inside a browser. It uses the existing .NET Nugget packages and no additional Nugget packages are required. Now we are using .NET for both front-end and back-end development. So we can share the code between front-end and back-end. What you should have to learn ASP.NET Core Blazor. You should have basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and C#. If you know ASP.NET Core MVC, then it is helpful to you, but it is not mandatory. That's it in this video. Thank you for listening.